I've been noticing this trend, and that is the corporations they rely on rental trucks and trailers are rethinking their strategy, and they are buying used trucks and buying from the rental companies the trucks that they had. Basically, the rental industry like Pensky, U-Haul, all these enterprise, all these companies, the lease trucks are, in my opinion, about to get into some serious problems. The reason is the price of maintaining a truck has become very high, very high. So, in my opinion, the strategy is going to be what I've been seeing is running a truck to the ground, hiring a mechanic, uh, pushing the drivers to drive unsafe machinery, and then something happened, they will blame the drivers or the mechanics. Corporations, they will never accept any liability. Always they blame somebody, but they do have the money and insurances to pay for whatever. So if the unsafe truck kill you or kill your family, now it's the driver's fault, but they have insurance, and the insurance will pay the family members or whoever, and everybody's happy. Continue to exist as a business. And that, to me, is not advancing humanity, especially in the business of farming. Right now, they're having a campaign to destroy what was created in the 1970s and 80s. And Cesar Chavez was one of the leadership, and they are completely destroying the name of Cesar Chavez by the state of Texas. So as you see, they are dismantling what was created in the late 60s, 70s, and 80s. The people will advance businesses by utilizing better machinery, better equipment, paying better the workers, like the farm workers. And we are reversing back to what was before the 1960s and 70s, is having a farm economy or economy overall where you exploit the workers, try to pay them the least as possible, destroying unions, destroying the ability to create new machinery, and so on. Remember that today we are not building trucks. Mack was the last one, and now it's owned by Volvo, Europeans. Now a combined a farm machine, a farm tractor, is going to be spending a lot of money in fuel, in energy. So yes, everything is going to be changed. And what it looks like, by me looking at this data that I'm existing in, the reality that I am existing in, is that they are going to take those losses and transfer those losses to the employers. They are not going to lose money ever. They are going to destroy the employees by making them working for low wages, and when they tell you that yes, McDonald's is paying $15 an hour, but a driver is getting paid 25, the gap, and this is the key right here for all of you to understand this. The power of money is a percentage. It's a percentage. Remember, money is a measuring system. So if you are living a standard of living, and that standard of living has a measuring amount, And the people who are below your standards of living getting a pay raise or getting more money or more measurements for the work that they do, that gap just close. And when that gap closes, that means that you are getting closer to the entry level worker. So it's not the opposite. It's not that they bringing up the entry level workers. It's the opposite. It's the lowering your standard of living, because now everything is going to increase in price because they have to pay for those entry level workers. And the entire United States of America is existing that way right now. And Mr. Trump really pushed it to the limit. Mr. Trump is going to destroy the United States of America. And we have no chance because we depend on the world. And the world can go on without us. When we don't have the money to pay them, and when we attack them, all they have to do is shut down the pipeline, because they own everything. Yes, the Europeans own our industries. The Moros or the Arabs, they own our money. If they change the way of paying for oil or selling oil, the measurement system, if they change the measuring system to a different measure system, like a dollar for the euro, we are screwed, because we can no longer utilize the dollar as a weapon. And that is what is happening right now. So that is the trend. Everybody is getting is getting rid of contracts and so on, and becoming more isolated to control their losses, because that is what is happening, to control their losses. So people, if you work for Enterprise or Pensky or one of those companies, hey, you better start reading the market right now, because they are going to drop you. So where are we going to go? I have no idea, but that is my reality. That is what I see. Farmers are paying $5,000 to refuel their machines. Saludos.